Birthday story. Leo wakes up this morning with a giant smile on his face. He jumps out of bed and does a little dance in his room. Today is a very special day. It is his best friend Sam's birthday. Leo is excited to start the preparations to give him the best surprise ever. Knock, knock, knock. Emma arrives at Leo's house with a big bag full of decorations. Together, they sit down in the living room to make a plan. They draw a list of everything they need to do: bake a cake, blow up balloons, and most importantly, find a wonderful gift. It is time to go to the kitchen. Leo and Emma put on their small aprons. They mix the flour, eggs, and sugar in a large bowl. It is so much fun to see the batter become smooth and creamy. Leo adds a little bit of chocolate to the bowl while Emma keeps stirring. They work together as a team to make sure the cake will be delicious. The kitchen smells like sweet cocoa and warmth. While the cake is baking in the oven, it is time to decorate. Emma grabs balloons of every color: red, blue, and yellow. She takes a deep breath and begins to blow them up one by one, filling the room with bright colors. Leo is in charge of the gift. He has chosen a bright red toy fire truck for Sam. He learns how to fold the wrapping paper very carefully. He realizes that giving something special makes him feel just as happy as receiving a gift himself. It is time to set up the party in the garden. Emma runs to the wooden table with a checkered tablecloth. She spreads it out flat so that everything looks perfect for the guest of honor. The cake is finally ready and smells wonderful. Leo and Emma hear footsteps in the driveway. "Shh, here he comes," Leo whispers. They quickly run to hide behind a large green bush, holding their breath in excitement. Sam walks into the garden, looking very confused. He does not see anyone at first. He walks slowly toward the decorated table, wondering where all his friends have gone. Surprise! Leo and Emma shout as they jump out. Sam jumps and then bursts out laughing with joy. Leo walks forward proudly, holding the big chocolate cake decorated with glowing candles. Emma walks over to Sam with a big smile. She hands him a bright yellow balloon and the gift that Leo wrapped so carefully. "This is for you, Sam. Happy birthday," she says. Sam is so happy to receive his special present. Now it is time to sing. Everyone sings happy birthday together. Sam takes a deep breath, closes his eyes to make a wish, and blows out the candles. Leo claps his hands to celebrate his very best friend.